Hello, in this seminar, I want you to find the values of trig functions for acute angles of a right triangle. And I want you to solve right triangles. The vocabulary you're going to come across are trig ratios, trig functions, sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, cotangent, reciprocal function, inverse trig function, inverse sine, inverse cosine, inverse tangent, angle of elevation and depression in solving a right triangle. This lesson is a review of things we have done in geometry and algebra 2. But we don't use them every day, so I'm going to do quite a bit of review with you. First off, if you have a right triangle and we refer to some angle, acute angle, the side opposite that, across from, is opposite, next to is adjacent, and then we have the hypotenuse. The side can never be adjacent and the hypotenuse at the same time. So always identify the hypotenuse as the side opposite the right angle. The 6 trig functions we're used to seeing are sine, cosine, and tangent. Then we have the reciprocal functions, which cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, secant is the reciprocal of cosine, and cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. If we take a look at example 1 here, I have this triangle. I want to find the exact, hint, no decimals, of the 6 trig functions for our angle theta. So we start here with the sine of theta. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so it's 33 over 65. That does not reduce. Cosine of theta will be 56 over 65, which again does not reduce. The tangent of theta is opposite over adjacent, so it'll be 33 over 56. And we see 33 is 3 times 11, 56 is 7 times 8. They don't reduce. Now let's do the reciprocal functions. So we're going to say the cosecant of theta is the reciprocal of sine, so it'll be 65 over 33. The secant theta is the reciprocal of cosine, so that'll be 65 over 56. And finally, the cotangent of theta is the reciprocal of tangent, so that'll be 56 over 33, and there's our answer.